Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to print the prime numbers between two given numbers. Okay, so first I will take two inputs A and B. Okay, so int input, enter A here and B equal to int input, enter B here. Okay, so now I will take a for loop between A and B because I am going to print the prime numbers between these two given numbers. Okay. So take a for loop for I in range between A and B. So A comma B plus 1, so we are including B, that's why I'm taking B plus 1. Okay, so here I will take another for loop to check I, is it prime number or not. So for J in range from 2 to I divided by 2 plus 1. See, I am taking I divided by 2 because let's suppose you take a number 20. Okay, so the maximum number which can divide 20 is the half of 20, means 10. Any number you can take, any number 22, 100. The maximum number which can divide that number is the half of that number. Okay, so that's why I'm taking half here. You can take I, you can take I also. Okay, so and I am taking 2 here because if you take 1 or 0 then 1 will divide every number. Okay, so here I will write a condition if I modulus j is equal to 0, means some value is dividing I, is completely dividing I, means that number is not prime number. So here I will take a variable status equal to 0, and here I will update this status to 1. Okay, so for I, if sorry, for I for I, if status is 1 then I is not prime number. If status is 0 then that I is prime number. Okay, if this condition is true for I, then that is not prime number because some value is dividing I. Then what is the prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by itself and 1. Okay, but it is dividing by another number. Okay, that's why I am updating this status to 1. So outside this for loop I will write a condition if status equal to 0, we are printing only prime numbers. So that's why I'm taking status equal to 0, means for I if status is 0 then that I is a prime number. So inside this if condition I will add print I. Okay, so let's run the code. Take the value of A to be 10 and the value of B to be 20. So what are the prime numbers between 10 and 20? 11, 13 and 17 and 19. Okay, only four prime numbers. So 11, 13, 17, 19. Take another numbers like 45 and 90. So 89, 83, 79, 71, 67, 61, 59, 53, these all are prime numbers between 45 and 90. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.